Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can set up your fingerprint in order to unlock your Motorola Razr 40. Setting up a fingerprint to unlock your phone is very easy and super nice if you're like on the go and don't want to type in your PIN, and then you just have to put your finger on the screen to unlock your phone. To do so, we need to go to our settings now, and now we need to go to passwords and accounts, and now we need to go to security and privacy, and here we need to go to device lock. Click on that, and then we'll get that little menu here with face unlock and fingerprint. We want to click on fingerprint now, and now we have to first enter our PIN to verify that it's us. Unlock with your fingerprint, touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone, authorize purchases or sign into apps. Set up, find the sensor, locate the sensor on the power button on the side of your device. So it's actually not the screen, but the power on and off button. You will need to touch it several times to record your fingerprint. Touch gently to avoid pressing the power button. So we will do that. Here's the power button, and touch and lift. So we also move the finger around slightly to get every side of the finger. Fingerprint added. You are ready to use your fingerprint to unlock, log in and make payments. We can now say add another one, or we say we're done. And now we have our finger one here. We can name it, we can delete it by clicking on that trash can symbol here. And now we also have touch to unlock. When the screen is off, unlocking by touching the fingerprint sensor. When this is turned off, you will need to press the power button first to unlock. So we'll keep that enabled, that's easier. And now we lock our phone, and then I'll put my finger on the sensor, and then we're back in the phone. So that's pretty nice, and that's how you can set up your fingerprint to unlock your Motorola Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.